Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. Today, today we discuss about commerce and classification of commerce. First, we discuss about commerce. What is commerce? The commerce means to exchange of goods and services. Now we discuss about keywords in definition. What is exchange? Exchange means the transfer of place from one to another. For example, a product is a making point of an industry that place to transport to the consumer. And also we know what is goods. Goods is an movable property one place to another place. And service is also same like goods. Now we discuss about classification of commerce. First we know where come the commerce. Commerce is part of a business. Business means and business is exchange of goods and services for the purpose of profit earning. In business can be divided into two categories. One is trading, another one is commerce. Now we discuss about commerce. So the definition of commerce to exchange of goods and services. Then also classification of commerce. Classification of commerce should be divided into. Now I discuss about classification of commerce. Classification of commerce can be divided into two categories. One is trade, another one is aids to trade. Trade is related to exchange of goods and services. Aids to trade is related to purely services based. Now we discuss trade, types of trade. Trade can be divided into two categories. First we need what is trade. Trade is the branch of commerce which is concerned with exchange of goods and services. It may be a barter exchange, that exchange of goods or services mandatory, where trade is money is medium of exchange. Whereas aids to trade are those services oriented industries which are remove the difficult or and in the smooth towns goods from the producers to consumers. Now trade can be divided into two types of. One is internal trade, another one is external trade. The trade can be divided into internal and external. Internal trade, we discuss about internal trade. What is internal trade? Internal trade is a trade between two regions in a country or two places within country. For example, trade between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And whereas external trade is a trade, the exchange of goods and services out of the country. For example, a trade between two countries, India with Pakistan, India with China. Whereas discuss about oriented services of aids to trade, banking, insurance, storage and advertisement. Now we discuss about banking. Bank provides short-term and medium-term finance to the business houses for the recommended of thereby solving problems. And insurance is an operates under high risk between uncertainty. Some of risk may be taken over by the insurance companies. Storage means warehouse. It is helpful for store products of the companies. And advertisement is a process to promote products. And agent is a mediator of the between consumer and the producer. Now once we discuss about internal trade in shortly. What is internal trade? Trade between two regions of the same country. For example, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, exchange of goods and service between two places. Now we discuss about types of trade. Types of trades can be divided. Internal trade can be divided into two categories mainly. One is wholesale trade, another one is retailer trade.